Welcome back to the Mercury Direct Podcast, where we delve into the nuts and bolts of powering your world more efficiently. In today's episode, How to Double the Life of Your Inverter Battery, we're unpacking the science behind battery longevity. It's a journey through the chemistry and care of your battery that could save you not just money, but also ensure your energy independence. Batteries, the silent sentinels of our solar setups, homes, and offices, hold more than just charge, they hold the key to sustainable energy usage. But there's a common fear that lurks in the minds of many, the dread of over-discharging. It's a valid concern, as mishandling can slash a battery's decade-long potential down to a mere couple of years. At the heart of battery care is understanding the types of batteries and their discharge capabilities. True deep-cycle batteries are the champions of endurance, designed to be discharged safely to low levels without succumbing to damage. Unlike their marine or automotive counterparts, these batteries can handle deep discharges, making them ideal for sustained energy use. But even the sturdiest of batteries has its limits. Consistently pushing a battery to its discharge extremes can prematurely age it, robbing you of years of service. Striking the right balance in discharge depth is crucial. It's about longevity, not just immediate power needs. Charging your battery is no less critical. Overzealous charging can lead to excess heat, a battery's nemesis, causing irreversible damage. Matching your charging rate to the battery's specifications is essential for maintaining its health and efficiency. Now, let's delve into the chemistry that powers these reactions. The dance of ions within the battery, the transformation of lead and sulfuric acid during discharge and charge cycles, is a marvel of electrochemistry. It's this intricate interplay that fuels the battery's ability to store and release energy. Understanding the reactions that occur during charging and discharging sheds light on how to optimize battery life. It's not just about the energy we draw, but how we replenish it. Proper charging practices, aligned with the battery's chemistry, can significantly extend its lifespan, ensuring that it continues to power your needs efficiently. In wrapping up today's episode, remember that caring for your battery is akin to nurturing a vital relationship. It's about understanding its needs, respecting its limits, and providing it with the right environment to thrive. With Mercury Direct solutions and a bit of knowledge, you can ensure that your battery remains a reliable partner in your energy journey. Thank you for joining us on the Mercury Direct Podcast. For more insights into making the most of your energy solutions, visit our website. Until next time, keep powering your dreams, and remember, a well-cared-for battery is the heart of a resilient energy system.